lake in a Micro Draco. Alright, so we'll get the Draco out of the Dune Buggy and we'll try the Draco. Did I forget the radio? Let's give the Draco a try and keep it out of the lake. It's the most important thing. Keep it out of the lake. Alright, we're going to give the Draco a flight out here at this other dam. Alright. Oh yeah, like a charm. Ooh! Right in the tree. What were you thinking, Sean? What were you thinking, Sean? Hopefully we didn't break anything. I don't know what I was thinking. I was too excited, it took off nice. Oh, now we got a stream and I got water here. And I didn't bring my beanbag on a rope. Oh, and it's all wet here. Alright, I think we're okay. Got it out of the tree. That was fun.
Stability mode.
Try this again. Stay away from everything. Up, down, take off flaps. Oh my God, I did it again. Unbelievable, Sean. You killed it. Why'd you keep hitting the tree? Mangled. Destroyed the Draco. Oh yeah. Let's unplug it real quick. See the damage. That's two right in a row. Oh, destroyed. Broke the tail off. That's fixable. Actually, well, except for the prop, I could glue this sucker if I can find the canopy. Fuselage broke, nose broke. Why did I hit that tree again? Let's try to find the canopy. Got the prop. I broke the... Oh, yeah, I destroyed it. I don't know why. There was a little bit of wind, not much. That's on me. I kept thinking I was above the trees. I should have my glasses on, not my sunglasses. Well, time to buy some parts. To be continued. Well, I ruined my Draco. But at least we got a nice Dune Buggy ride.